Okay, to those who are new to this channel and do not know me personally, I suggest that you skip this video because this is usually how I sound when I'm not making videos or not I'm not talking about something exciting, which is nothing worth watching or worth your time, I guess.
Today is the 11th of October 2020. The end goal is hopefully I will be in a much better frame of mind at the end of this week than I am right now. Baby steps. Yeah, look forward to one video every day, at least for this week. So, yeah, it should be fun. Until tomorrow. Buongiorno, kiddos. It is the 12th of October 2020. This is day 2 of my productivity week. Okay, what did I do today? It is almost 4 p.m. now. I had an appointment with my psychiatrist. It was for medication actually. So that means I started medication on antidepressants, and as the doctor had already said, there would be a few effects for a few days. I was feverish and I was unwell, so I took a break. Close to 3 months since I it's been hard to cope. The last 3 months was just the culmination of all of it. In fact, this is the pile of wrappers and food packaging by the side of my bed.
Oh, hey pal, let's back it up a bit. I have no idea what are you doing. I think you're going too insane.
When I went to India last month and I took a book along with me, so I thought I'll be reading. I didn't want to listen to music or something. I thought I'll be reading on the flight because it's a long flight. And then from Bangalore to Mangalore, it's a train ride of another 10 hours or so. The whole journey, it was about 40 hours, and I did not manage to go beyond the first page. I'm not joking. That is how bad my concentration is right now. And it wasn't even a textbook. It's a novel. It's a storybook, and I feel like I have to keep rereading the same lines again and again until I am able to grasp what it says. I wake up at 4 in the evening just in time to go to work, and I obviously don't have anything to eat at home, so I just go hungry. If you want to, I'll show you my fridge how it looks. There you go. That cucumber is rotten. The lemon is rotten. The carrots are rotting. The tomatoes are rotting. And there are dead flies. My weight is 60 kilograms now. I think I was about 75 kilograms when I moved here. This is how I look. I honestly cannot remember the last time I showered. I don't know. It might have been 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, or a month ago. I don't even remember anymore. If I wasn't a human, and if suppose I was an animal in the wild, I'd be dead by now because I'm not doing the very things that I'm supposed to do as a living being. As in, I'm not eating, I'm not taking care of myself, I'm not mating. It's another story. So what am I doing? And because I'm a human in society, I'm not contributing anything to it. I probably have skills that I could make use of and be useful, basically be useful to society, do something but I feel like with every breath I take, every moment that passes, I am letting my parents and all those who, whatever point in time, believed in me, I'm letting all these people down, including myself. Every day is such a struggle. I wake up every day with the hope that today I'm going to be productive, do something, and at the end of the day I failed, and then back to the.
When you look at people going through depression, like PTSD, for example, they have genuine reasons to be depressed. Like they have had to go through stuff in the past, or they've been through genuine trouble or shit in their lives. And then I look at myself and what's stopping me? What is my problem? And then I feel so guilty for because I have no real visible reason to be like this. Everything was going fine, right? Like a decade ago. So what happened? I don't know.
फैजल कब खून खोलेगा रे तेरा?
I'm tired of trying and failing over and over. I lost my job earlier last month because my residence permit expired in March, and that's just because I haven't bothered to apply for an extension because, like all things, I'm procrastinating on that as well. My focus and concentration levels are so low that I can't seem to be able to do anything. I still spend most of my day lying in my bed. No longer have the motivation to get up because I don't have to go every evening to work. I only left my apartment to go out and get food, just enough to keep me alive. I'm just tired of life right now. I'm this close to giving up. I don't know. I feel so hopeless right now. I'm just done. It was the perfect ending to the worst decade of my life. This right now, I am sure it is the lowest point of my life, not just up until now, however long I live. Things can only get better. I cannot do worse than this.